If you want to use noise cancellation with just one AirPod in your ear, then this video will be your guide. When you're in a place where you need to give attention to other things or simply want to multitask, using only one AirPod with noise cancelling can be helpful in making the most out of it. This will help you stay aware of your surroundings and still block out background noise. So, let's learn how to use it. Open Settings. Make sure you are connected to your AirPods. If you are, then the AirPods will show up right in your Settings main menu. So, if it shows up, scroll down a bit and tap Accessibility. Now scroll down to the Accessories section. There will be an AirPod option available here now. Tap on it, select your AirPods from here. Then on to the Noise Control section. You will see the option of noise cancellation with one AirPod. Simply toggle it on. And from now on, you will be able to use only one side of your AirPod to access the noise cancellation feature. Hope this guide helps you out. If it did, then be sure to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips just like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.